the morning off with breakfast. I know I've said this before, but I highly recommend. This is the breakfast bowl from Woody's Lunchbox. It's so good. I got the bigger one this time. Last time I got the kids meal, but we're just gonna split it. It's full like this, but I just always move it because Sophia likes the tater tots without any gravy on it. But yeah, it's a hearty meal and it's easy to split. We're headed back to the car to get my sunglasses, but look who is out. It's Daisy and Donald! Isn't that so cool? Hi! You want to blow kisses? Okay, so besides going back to the car, I just decided to buy a hat to just get me through because we're actually just going to break up today and probably go to Magic Kingdom later. We'll see how the day goes. But we did purchase Genie Plus today, so we have Sleepy Dog here in a little bit, and we're just looking in shops for a little bit. Hopefully the lines will die down, and then we're gonna head to Aliens Sausage. It's been very hectic since we got here. We have Genie Plus today. We are doing, so this video is just, I was gonna do it like our best mom toddler day, but it's just not gonna be that because it's very chaotic. So I will do another video like that. So it is a solo mom day, Hollywood Studios edition, or whatever just kind of comes in here. We have been up since super early because we had to take Ben to the airport. This one did not sleep very well last night, so got that going for me. I got this hat because
I have a snack.
Sure. Let me finish talking and then I'll get you a snack. I have already spilt stuff on this shirt, so that's lovely. Got that going for me today. I left my sunglasses in the car because it was super foggy this morning, so got that going for me. So I bought this hat. So yeah, we're just kind of doing the best that we can. But right now, to give you an idea, Aliens Rolling Sausage is a 55-minute wait. So that's how busy it is here. It's coming off of President's Day weekend, going into race weekend, so it's very busy, but we're making the best of it. So let's go. Also, I'm going to mention, it's really hot here. Today's high is 88, and it's very humid. So I did my hair essentially for nothing, so now it's in a braid. As you can see, when I started this video, I had it down, then it got frizzy, and now it's in a braid. So, you know, some days just go like not how you planned it, and that's today.
Feeling crazy, guys. Only if we're feeling crazy, all right? Now this last one, it's a roll it up.
We're on Aliens. Are you excited? Yay! We just waited in line. It was like a 45-minute wait, so. But we're on Aliens.
I see a puppy dog.
I see a puppy dog. We are headed to Slinky Dog, and I cannot stress enough how important Genie Plus is here at this park. We are bypassing a 140-minute line, so just FYI. You ready? We are in line. We're so excited. Sophia loves this ride, so glad that I got Genie Plus and skipped a 140-minute line.
dear.
Oh dear. No need to worry.
Go ahead. We got Poppy! Yay! We are headed out of the park to go and take a rest. To be determined if we're going to come back. It just depends on if Sophia actually takes a nap because she needs one. We did Beauty and the Beast sing along, and that was really cool. And then we ended up doing Toy Story Mania, and Sophia loved it, so that was really fun. It's just been a very busy day here, and it's hot, so. Okay, we made it to our car. My hair has calmed down a little bit. It is not as froofy. Yeah, we had the windows down to get it cooled off in here. So I hope that the air is not super loud. I'm trying not to have it to where it's directly on the air vent. So hopefully it's not. But we might come back here. Ropey Dog is so fast. And alien swirling saucers. I think that I butchered that earlier when I was talking because I was trying to be super fast because it was chaos. I overheard somebody say that it was busier than it is at spring break here. And I mean, I get it because it's been Mardi Gras, so people come here, and then there's, like I said, it was coming off of President's Weekend and then going into race weekend, so it is busy. We are unsure if we're going to come back tonight. It really just depends on if she naps. If she doesn't, then we're just going to do Genie Plus again tomorrow. We're going to Magic Kingdom. So, we'll see. We were going to just go to Magic Kingdom tonight and then just use Genie Plus one time, but it honestly depends on how tired I am, how tired she is, if we feel like going back out, because it's really hot. I think it feels like it's 90 degrees. If I had to give a word of advice, just one word of advice, and you could only pick one park to do Genie Plus in, just one, I would 1,000% recommend it be Hollywood Studios. If you're not coming to Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom. The reason why I say Hollywood Studios is because there is a lot of big, heavy hitter rides. Slinky Dog goes very quickly, especially on busy days. So does Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. Both of those waits today have been anywhere from 140 all the way up to 150-minute waits. If you're coming and this is your first time, or you are coming and it is your only time, Genie Plus is a must. That way you can get the full experience. Yes, it's a pain to learn. I can do a whole video on Genie Plus because sometimes just getting it from different people, there's some great content creators out there who explain it very well, but I know some people just like it very simplistic, and I can break it down into simplistic terms. So I can do it how I explain to people in simplistic terms, and then there's obviously recommendations that I would give. Have a fantastic day every day.
Yeah.
That's sweet. We are getting ready to head back to the parks. I did not nap, but I did rest. So Sophia napped. She took a really long nap. So we're just gonna head back to Magic Kingdom so that we don't go back tomorrow, which if we had to, it would be perfectly fine. It's not that big of a deal. It's just very busy, and I don't know. We'll see. I'm still gonna keep the reservation just in case we wake up and we maybe kind of want to do it. It really just depends. But I am gonna just put on just a little bit of makeup, not much. I'm gonna curl my hair a little bit. I don't have high hopes, but I brushed it out so it looks like at least a whole lot better than what it did, and then I'm gonna just curl it and see. I already had 2 Genie Pluses booked. I have another Genie Plus that's about to come up here in like, what is it? It's like 10-ish minutes or so. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll have 3 Genie Pluses stacked already when we get in the park, and we'll just play by ear. One of them is like super late at night, like 8:55, so we'll see if we make it that long. We'll see. She's doing great, so it's more like, will that make it that long? So we'll see. But that's the plan. We're just gonna take it, see how it goes. We made it back to the Magic Kingdom. Well, back to Magic Kingdom, back to a park. We are headed towards our Winnie the Pooh lightning lane, and then we have a bunch stacked. So we'll see how it goes.
He'll never reach that.
Casey's Corners. It took forever. I felt like mobile order here recently has been taking longer than just standing in line. I don't know. I think everybody's just catching on to like mobile order, but it was ridiculous. But we got Casey's Corner and we made our way back over to Storybook Circus. We are here. That's where we're gonna watch the fireworks, and then maybe ride a couple more rides and then head out. So we'll see. We might head out after the fireworks. Just depends. I was not even going to. Yeah, is not even gonna fight sitting in front of the castle, so just not worth it. Watching the fireworks. It's so cool. Do you like it?
Yeah, I did love it.